What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want extra money savings and still score a product of solid quality, we especially single out the Panasonic Lumix G7, which deservedly won the title of the best ultra-cheap budget mirrorless camera in 2022. This model is gaining traction in the audiovisual world, thanks to its great potential in the recording department. The strongest point is in its video recording, despite the fact that the device doesn't have a stabilizer. It is a very comfortable 3-inch touchscreen and a 4x digital zoom. Thanks to the solid and ergonomic design, the Panasonic Lumix G7 is specially designed so that the most important functions are at your fingertips. For example, the shutter speed dial and aperture are just a click away. But that's not all. The camera also has 6 customizable buttons on which you can set the desired functions. Features include AF tracking, intelligent ISO adjustment, and a scene guide. This mode is especially useful for low-light environments, where it's harder to take good shots. Plus, the device supports an integrated 16-megapixel 1-inch sensor. This is one of the first cameras in this range that records in 4K resolution. Its native resolution is 3840 by 2160 pixels, which will allow you to capture details like never before. This feature is especially handy if you want to edit videos or simply upload them. Also included in the mix is Panasonic's innovative depth from defocus technology, delivering pretty good sharpness in just a split second. The camera includes a lithium-ion battery capable of delivering hours of continuous operation. In addition, the package includes an additional battery. When it comes to maintenance, the device is very easy to maintain. You don't even have to disassemble this model to clean the interior because it is completely hermetically sealed and prevents the entry of dust and dirt. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The next product we'll talk about is the Olympus OMDE M10 Mark IV, also known as the best value budget mirrorless camera available on the market in 2022. This model is elegant, modern, and incredibly light. With an upgraded 20-megapixel sensor and autofocus improvements, this camera looks ready to impress. With an upgraded sensor and an improved continuous AF focus, this is the perfect camera for everyone looking for something compact yet powerful. The Mark IV also has a compact body image stabilization unit with 15 frames per second high-speed continuous shooting. Also included in the mix is improved continuous AF accuracy for continuous focusing on moving subjects. The device offers a variety of shooting modes, including auto, SCN scene mode, AP for advanced photography, and art filter. AP mode brings challenging shooting techniques such as panoramas, HDR, and more. The Mark IV retains the 4K video capabilities of the Mark III, but also has the added advantage of a tilting LCD monitor that can be rotated down 180 degrees for standalone video and logging. Users especially like the 5-axis image stabilization as well as the fast autofocus. Switching to a 20.3 megapixel sensor has definitely given the EM10 IV an advantage over its predecessor when it comes to fine-tuning. The new Olympus is even capable of matching many top competitors for capturing detail at lower sensitivity. If we had any criticism, it would be that we would love to see the microphone jack that would be paired with 4K video capabilities and a rotating screen. Whether you're a smartphone enthusiast looking to switch to a camera that can capture high-quality family shots, or just looking for a lightweight camera to take with you on trips, the Olympus OMDE M10 Mark IV might just be your ideal match. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, we present you the Panasonic Lumix G100, which deservedly won the title of the best vlogging budget mirrorless camera available on the market in 2022. Lumix G100 is a focused camera, ideal for content creators looking for a device that offers quality, versatility, and is also comfortable to wear. The good thing about the Lumix G100 is that it offers replaceable lenses, and with that lens included, it's very comfortable and easy to wear every day. It's easy to store in any backpack or bag, and you'll not notice its weight. Honestly, it's a camera that's well designed, comfortable, and a little heavier. In addition, details such as a hinged screen or the inclusion of a mini tripod as standard are more than welcome. Speaking of image quality, both with photos and videos, Panasonic once again demonstrates its experience here. The Lumix G100 is a small but very capable camera. Right out of the gate, it's capable of recording 4K videos at 30p. The problem is that the recording is limited in time. The maximum you can record in 4K 30p resolution is 15 minutes, while in FHD at 60p, it'll be 20 minutes. This is a physical problem to avoid internal issues. But considering how the recordings are for vlog-type content, the truth is that there should be no problem. In any case, the power of the camera is the video section. Here its different resolutions, slow motion options, and the ability to shoot with a Vlog-L profile deliver the goods. It allows you to get a better dynamic range and achieve more impressive results in post-production. As for the audio recording, the device features a PPE audio sound recording system. The Lumix G100 is a very good vlogging camera. It is compact and comfortable, offers very good video quality, and everything that vloggers usually need. Good stuff, thumbs up from here. If you're ready to spend extra money to enjoy all the benefits of top-notch products, we especially highlight the Nikon Z50, the best premium budget mirrorless camera available on the market in 2022. This is the first APS-C camera within the new Nikon Z mirrorless series. Small, very compact, quite ergonomic and capable. The Nikon Z50 can accommodate maximum full-size sensors. But the brand has decided not to leave behind APS-C sensors that have performed so well and continue to work. Inside the Nikon Z50, we find a top-notch sensor with a resolution of 21 megapixels. The body of this model is quite compact and fits really well in hand. But just because it's light doesn't mean the device feels like a cheap or poorly made camera, quite the opposite. It is a top-tier robust camera with a great hand feel. Best of all is its ergonomics. And that's in addition to one of the best grips that can be found in this price range. The electronic viewfinder includes the most important information regarding the device. On the Nikon Z50, we find an OLED-type panel, which delivers excellent contrast and color. Specifically, the Z50 is equipped with an electronic viewfinder of 2.36 million points and a magnification of 1.02 horsepower. The battery power and autonomy of the Nikon Z50 pleasantly surprised us. Despite having a capacity of just over 1100 mAh, users have managed to take more than 600 photos in one day, which is more than what other manufacturers can offer in this price range. Another key point of the Nikon Z50 model is the folding screen it sports. The screen delivers 1.02 million dots and a size of 3.2 inches. And it's true that it looks great in any light situation. And there's also a fairly fast autofocus. There are simply no shortcomings in this regard. A premium device on all fronts. If you have enough money for this beast, we say go for it. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall budget mirrorless camera available on the market in 2022. And the winner is the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. The worldwide interest in creating, sharing, and viewing content on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and other platforms shows no signs of waning. In fact, people spend more time researching hobbies and learning new skills. A small but powerful mirrorless camera, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II makes the whole process from shooting to posting easier than ever. This model can record both horizontally and vertical 4K videos or stream full HD videos directly to YouTube. The camera allows creators to take their content to the next level. With a 3.5mm microphone input and clean HDMI and USB outputs, it has all the inputs and outputs a content creator might need. The device's compact body, variable angle touchscreen, and a compatibility with a wide range of Canon lenses allows users to enjoy complete creative freedom, whether shooting perfectly framed images or streaming live on the go. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. This allows control from a mobile device and uploading images and videos directly to social networks, ensuring your followers never miss anything. Camera speed, the 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, intelligent auto modes, and eye detection also give content creators that extra edge when it comes to photography. Sound quality is also important, and the Canon EOS M50 Mark II delivers the goods with a 3.5mm microphone jack. Even the most ambitious YouTubers can make clips with impeccable sound quality. This camera boasts very good image quality and also includes some improvements to eye detection algorithms compared to its predecessor. In terms of design, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II has found a good balance between handle size and comfort. The holder is quite comfortable. In addition, the touchscreen provides quick access to most configuration parameters. When shooting in 1080p or live streaming, the dual-pixel focus system is precise and tracks subjects in the scene very smoothly. Everything about this model runs smoothly and operates at the highest level. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best budget mirrorless cameras of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.